Hey guys, it's your girl Just Being Ashe. What's up? So today I'll be doing an unboxing and giving you a quick life update. As you know, I was expecting a baby boy and he has arrived. He actually came 3 weeks earlier than we expected, but he is growing and doing well. I'm happy to be sitting in front of this camera today, able to do an unboxing with you, so we're just gonna jump right in. Today, I am pleased to show you that I have been able to secure the bag. So I have purchased 2 Telfar bags. Now you might be saying, Telfar, what is a Telfar? They are a fashion brand based out of New York City. However, although they sell various types of apparel, it's their handbags that's really hit the scene and taken off. So my son actually told me about Telfar about a year ago, and he was like, you gotta check out this company, Mom. They have, they're a black-owned company. They are really making some really great bags, and if you're gonna drop those dollars on Dooney, you might want to consider dropping some dollars on Telfar. I recently decided it was time for me to kind of step out the box a little bit and check out different brands and, you know, see what else is out there that I actually would like. So why not try a Telfar? I studied the brand a bit, fell in love with the concept, fell in love with the CEO, fell in love with the just overall idea of Telfar and what they're trying to do. Now their handbags are luxury handbags, but they're priced so that everyone can experience the luxury. Here's a brand that you can actually afford. So Telfar is definitely the it bag of our time. And if you're a handbag collector, it's definitely a brand that you want to put in your collection. They've been nicknamed the Bushwick Birkin, which I find so cute. Now the CEO wanted to make sure that this brand was accessible to all, and I really love that mentality and love that thinking. Their motto is, it's not for you, it's for everyone. So basically, it's not for you. It's not just for one particular type of person. It's not just for one particular type of tax bracket. It's not just for one particular gender. This is for everyone. Finally, people that want a status bag can actually get their status bag. Now, these bags are not easy to acquire. There's a whole situation that you have to have situated before you even can think about being an owner of a Telfar bag. But basically, with this bag being the it bag of our time, it sells out within minutes. So you have to be on the website ready to go. So you would have to watch the website, watch their Instagram, and sign up for their email list to know when is drop day. And it will be one particular bag, one particular color that will be released on drop day, available for your purchase. Within 3 to 5 minutes, these bags are sold out. Within 3 to 5 minutes, these bags are sold out. So if you want a Telfar bag, you're gonna need to be on the website ready to go, or you're gonna have a bad day. You're gonna be pretty sad. So on drop day, I knew that I had to be up. I knew I had to be on the website. I knew I had already be signed in and have an account already created with my address details and my payment information already set up on the website. That is the only way you can possibly, you just might, perhaps, be able to secure the bag, okay? So you have to be prepared. So on drop day, I made sure I was seated before 9 o'clock on the website, signed in, had my billing details and my address information already put in the website so that I can go ahead and get the process started, and I wouldn't have to wait around, because you wait, you lose. You try to type in numbers, try to type in information, you lose. My heart was beating so fast. I could literally feel it in my throat, and at the base of my spine, I could feel this weird pulsating. It was anxiety just flowing through me. And mind you, at that time I was still pregnant, So I was just filled with anxiety and sitting there trying to get this done so quickly. Woosah. Okay? Woosah. But I was able to secure the bag, and I was able to do that 2 times. Not just 1, 2 times. So it does work if you follow instruction, and if you are timely, you will be able to secure the Telfar bag. A few things I really love about this brand is, 1, it's unisex, comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium, large, comes in a variety of different colors. It is vegan leather. It gives you an opportunity to experience that feeling of luxury without the luxury price tag. And you can carry it with the top handles, or you can rock it crossbody. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to unboxing. I have literally been waiting for this moment and wanting to share it with you all for weeks. So let's do this thing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open. Looks like this should be pretty simple. Alright, so I have my scissor and I have my box. Alright, so the first thing I see when I open it is the, what is this called again? The first thing I see is the dust bag when I open the package. And it's in there nice and snug, so, you know, a few other companies could learn a thing or two from Telfar when it comes to packaging. Alright, so let's pull it out. I'm not even sure what color this is because, like I said, it's been weeks, so we'll both be surprised. Alright, so it's out the package. It comes in a plastic bag, like so. This is the logo, Telfar, T for Telfar, C for Clemens, and I thought that was really clever. Alright, it's a huge Ziploc bag. Open that Ziploc. Alright. Alright, I want to close my eyes and zoom. Ta-da! Okay, so it looks like this is the eggplant color. The eggplant color. And there we go. I'm gonna have to take some shots outside to really give you the true color. So let's see. My first impressions are, I love the embossed logo. I love the embossed logo. I actually love the color. I'm not much of a purple girl, but the eggplant is giving me luxury, okay? The eggplant is giving me royalty. So I'm liking that. It has that sturdiness to it that some leathers have. Okay, so let me open this up. So it's definitely a keeper. It's not going back. Probably as long as I took opening this, it probably can't go back if I needed it to go back, you know. So it's staying with me. All right, so I've released the crossbody, and it's 2 handles. So it's 2 longer handles. And then we have the top handles here, which are shorter. So like I said, you can wear it crossbody or just hold it. And these do not come off. They're not removable. The inside is really pretty. So there's some creases here, but I'm sure those will come out as I put my things in the bag. And I actually like it. I actually like it. With the top handles, it's been said that if you don't want to do top handles because they do not come off, they're not removable, you can stuff them in the bag. like so, and just, you know, get it nice and to the point where they're hidden. And so there we have it. Okay. As far as the insides go, we have a zippered pocket on the back. Actually, that's the front. So the zippered pocket with the tag, and the tag serves as this itsy bitsy little pocket with the logo. It's a little white pocket here. I guess you have to be creative and put whatever you want to be discreet about in there. The fact that it's not leather, I don't feel like I gotta be super duper careful. It feels to me like it will be pretty long lasting. Now this one is their olive green bag, and let me go ahead and pull that out for you. Oh, love it. I love the olive green color. I definitely can see myself wearing both these bags in the winter time. And you know, those deep dark colors for the fall. For the winter, I definitely see that happening, so that's a really good look. So these are the two bags. Again, we have the eggplant, and we have the olive green, and that is a really stunning green. I'm actually seeing myself rocking it throughout the summer. So I love it. Size wise, I feel I'll definitely be able to get all my things in here without a problem. It also holds a 13-inch MacBook or 13-inch laptop, and I'm sure I'll be able to get all my personal items into this bag along with a few baby items. So that'll be awesome. And I really like what Telfar has done here, and I really encourage you to go ahead and snag you a bag if you can, to experience and to support this awesome, amazing, all-encompassing, all-loving, for the people, Black-owned company. All right. So, before I go, because it's time for me to go, I do want to give a toast, okay? First of all, my son is here. We're all well. We're feeling healthy. We're feeling good. So let's toast to that. And by the way, I just needed to feel fancy. So this is literally just a smoothie, okay? This is a smoothie. It is pineapple based. And I put all the fruit that I had in the house before they went bad into the smoothie. So, you know. So we're going to toast to the healthy baby and the healthy mama, and we're going to toast to Telfar, and we're going to toast to the fact that I was able to secure the bag. So on that note, I'll see y'all in my next video. Remember, just be. Peace.